Hello friends, again first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives and dealing with the very dangerous coronavirus and this pandemic situation with very careful and precautionary steps. So as far as we are concerned with this video, so friends, this video is again related to our health concerns, and at the same time this video represents some very beautiful and stylish classy chic fashion ideas that would keep you classy and stylish while any sort of dressing code you adopt, and at the same time would be safe for your health as well. So as all of you could see that these designs are very beautiful, latest and never seen before. This is a new collection of face mask designs, and these face mask designs are made up of various fabrics, that is of linen, cotton, and you can make it of lawn or any other sort of soft fabric that you like to have, and make some inner cotton filter pockets. As you could see that this olive green have a inner white color cotton filter pocket, and very beautiful embroidered leaves have been shown on this embroidery pattern. Friends, these embroidery patterns are very simple and very easy to make. If you make these very simple and easy patterns, you can make them in a one day work or some 2 to 3 hours of work. If you are an embroidery beginner, you can go for these designs because these designs are very simple and they are easy to make, and with very little effort you can make these embroidery patterns. Now the question arises, on which face mask you can make these embroidery patterns. If you have already some sort of fabric masks, but they are simple or they are some light printed like polka dots or some check stuff or any other printed material, then you can make these embroidery patterns onto those masks. One thing. And if you have some old masks and you want to make them very new and you want to give a change type of look by remaining on low budget affordable prices, then you can make these embroidery patterns onto your old in use masks. And one thing I'm going to tell you, that these mask designs are very beautiful, simple, elegant and decent at the same time, and they are reusable, washable. And one more thing, these are not for protection of coronavirus only, but they are best favorable suited for any sort of allergic reactions. If a person is allergic to dust, pollution, pollen and any other acute minor viruses, then these masks are really favorable. So friends, kindly allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the stylish and amazing design ideas. And if you try these patterns, do share your experiences with me and comment below if you have any queries. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Do subscribe my other channels as well. I am adding the link of my other channels. One is Alnoor Skin and Healthcare. You would get amazing natural remedies related to skin and healthcare. And one is Restaurant Style Cooking. By following my recipes, you can cook like a chef and you can make amazing tasty recipes like restaurants at home. So keep loving us, keep supporting us. And one more thing friends, these mask patterns are not only used to design face masks, but you can use them for designing any sort of DIY creativity like hand embroidered jewelry, hand embroidered pendants, hand embroidered buttons, hand embroidered hair clips, hand embroidered bow ties, hand embroidered baby bonnets, hand embroidered handkerchiefs, hand embroidered mat covers, table covers, pillow covers, cushion covers, and these small floral bunches could also be used as dress designing for all over designs. And you can also use these bunches, flowers, very decent and delicate patterns for designing the shirts, skirts and frocks of your baby girls. So stay tuned with us, keep watching our content, keep supporting us. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will soon be back with you by sharing some new ideas, new designs and classy fashion trends. Take care.